Hello, welcome back to Toby's Wildlife Adventures. I'm here at Ness Botanic Gardens to do some bird ringing. Do you want to come in? Come on. Hi Phil, why is it important to ring birds?
Well, there's several reasons, Toby. One of the reasons being is that we need to know how the birds are suffering with the changes in the environment. And by ringing the birds, we can build up a picture of how successful they've been at breeding, because we can work out the proportion of adults to juveniles. And we can also work out the survival rates, because if we catch birds in subsequent years, we can see how long they're surviving for.
Wow, that's really interesting, Phil.
And the other reason, of course, is obviously to try and track migration routes, because a lot of the birds we're getting are migratory. So we're hoping that other people, other ringers in other parts of the country or even foreign countries will be able to find them and catch them and let us know where these birds are migrating.
Thank you for that, Phil.
Pleasure. This one might make a noise.
A blackbird.
Okay, so two fingers like that around its neck. Use that to hold it in. Fingers very lightly around its belly. Other hand underneath. Okay, so because sometimes when you let go, it might just sit there for a few seconds, and if you let go and it drops to the ground, it's obviously not going to bird again. So get it like that. Okay, well done. Hand underneath it. Right, just count to three so people can actually take a photograph when they know it's going to go. So we'll count to three. 1, 2, 3. Open your hands. There you go.
That's absolutely amazing. We saw so many different types of species of birds. I'm definitely coming back next time.